Once again, it is I, Dave, chef to the stars. And I made this burger for a pretty famous baby known as Maggie Simpson. And she wanted a little special spice mix on her burger. So this is what I did. I took a tablespoon of paprika, mixed that with 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne, and gave this all a mix around, and then sprinkled this over some third-pound patties. And why she glanced me the devil's eyes when she did this, I have no idea. And once those burgers were done cooking, she requested 2 very distinct type of cheeses. A little bit of pepper jack, and a little bit of sharp cheddar. To which I threw a little water in my pan, and they melted up real nice. Oh, and the patties took about 7 minutes to cook. Okay, let's go and assemble the burger. Right here, we got a nice toasted brioche bun. And then we want to add just a little bit of ketchup, along with the only lettuce that is worthy to be on a burger. And that is, of course, iceberg. And then we place our patty on top of that. And then you want to lay down some mayo. Along with some yellow mustard. And then you want to add some pickles. Because again, a burger without pickles is just garbage. And then just put a little tomato slice on top. And then some French's fried onions. And that's really it for the burger. Yes, that is the burger I made a cartoon baby. I would also like to point out at this point, I was freebasing Mongolian crack out of the merciless peppers that were grown deep in the heart of a Guatemalan insane asylum. The merciless peppers of Quetzaltenango or something. But anyway, that's the Maggie Simpson burger. Done. And yes, I did stop freebasing crack out of hot peppers. But I didn't find it was all part of God's plan, because that'd be a pretty stupid fucking plan.